Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be thrifting at the Goodwill. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. I'm specifically looking for some vintage items that I can use for a tablescape. And let's see what we can find. Now, I picked up this one plate here because the border was checkered, but it was only one plate, so I wasn't just going to buy the one. I'm definitely loving these plates right here. So I think I'm going to take these two salad plates. I don't see the dinner plates, but we'll keep looking. Now this one right here that I picked up is also a beautiful plate. I loved it. But I have something similar that I purchased at Home Goods already and they didn't have the full set. Now, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, I was liking the checkered pattern of this particular dinnerware set, but it wasn't really like the red that I like. It just really wasn't. So I held off on that. Okay, so I did pick these plates up and they did have the checkered border, but I put them back because I remembered that I purchased a set from Home Goods. So back they go. Okay, now this coming set right here, I thought was absolutely beautiful. Now, I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.